So I just opening the doors for better light. And here's Mr. Patrick. He's Mr. Patrick. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. So a bit of a rubbishy video today because the weather, that's actually better weather than it's been all day. But it's been raining heavy pretty much all day. And we've not done much, have we? Actually, I have. I've been to go and get horse feed, pick up a prescription, been to Tesco's because they broke my clothes rail. The puppies did last night, so I had to get a new one. So yeah, that's all we do. Puppies playing in the hay. So yeah, my Dalmatian puppy videos definitely, I think more people enjoy. You doing up there, Pod? What you doing? And they make such a mess of my straw. It's kind of a bit annoying, but. And then Nala's a banana. Nala's a banana. She's a banana. Oh, Banunu. Oh, you still tired after the beaching, you baby girl? Okay, Jude. Khaleesi, I need smiles. Jude. Jude, smile. Can you smile for me? Jude. Nala, can you smile? Oh, Nala. Oh, Nala, go. Aria! She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. You could kill Aria. Yes. Oh, she's so pretty. Jude. Sorry, Judith just knocked my phone. That's not cool. Judith. That was very naughty, Judith. That was very naughty, Judith. Khaleesi, smile. Khaleesi, smile. Yes. I got that on film. She was too close to me. They're so vocal, aren't they? Whee! There you go, bum boost. Yeah, thanks, Mum. Yeah, thanks, Mum. Is he naughty, are ya? So yeah, I just thought I'd film for you guys while they have a run round, and then I'm gonna sort out Beastie and the ducks, and then yeah, do a bit of training with these lot. Maybe I'll show you my new ducks. Do you want to see my new ducks? Guess you don't have a choice. I got the camera. Go and see if my new ducks are on the yard. Okay, Dubbers? Hey, Beastie. They were on the yard. Yeah, they are. So I got 2 new crested ducks. You can see them over there. So there's the big crested. I forget what breed she is. Then there's the apricot crested. So now I got 4 cresteds. There's lots of eggs for the puppies. And then Sarah, who owns Gizmo and Spud, she's got 2 new chickens. And they are black with white spots. See? See how we got spotty chickens to go with the spotty dogs. They're chucks. They can get out if they want to, but they haven't wanted to yet. So yeah, right, go back to puppies now. Yeah. You okay, Beastie? You alright, Beastie Pie? You're a good beast. Hello, Beastie. Hello, Beastie. She's like, bring me my tea. You got your brother pinned, have you, are you? Good smiles, Jude. Who's your guys' favourite out of the puppies? Aria or Podrick? I keep changing my mind on which one's the naughtiest. Don't know, guys. Who's the naughtiest out of you pair? Is it you? Or is it you? Is it you? Aria? Is it you, Aria? Come round to my feet. You good puppies, really, and yeah. See, this is how my straw gets ruined. Khaleesi makes beds on it, and the puppies run up it. None of them ever pay any attention to her. All the noises she makes. See? Oh, what are they doing, Judith? Aria smiled at me the other day too, so she's the first out of my two to smile. Pongo's smiling when he was here, which is Mr. Black. You have good sound effects, guys. Yeah, so the puppies get their first vaccination on Tuesday. Then they get to start going out in public. There's no shows to speak of. Crafts got moved to July, so hopefully shows can run by then. Yeah. Oh, Judith, you sound ferocious. We're all scared of you. None of them ever pay any attention to her. You okay, Jude? Yep, so sorry it's a bit of a boring one. It's just puppies having fun. So yeah, I shall see you all tomorrow, and I'll try and think of something interesting to do tomorrow. I think I got a plan, but I also think I need help with it. And I got to wrap the dogs' presents for their Christmas opening video, because they love to open presents. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. Hope, whatever. Anyway, yeah, we'll come up with a video idea for tomorrow. Hey, Jude, do you want to star in a YouTube video? Or are you too tired? Jude? Jude. Khaleesi, sit. Sit. Good girl. Can you go down? Down. Down. You go down. You go down. You good girl. Good girl, Judith. Nala's like, I can sit there and I can watch puppies. And Dad's is like, I can stand there and not be in the way of any puppies. Yeah, so anyway, I'll get on with jobs and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.